Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will review Manager.io. Manager.io is a free, powerful accounting software that many small businesses and freelancers use to manage their finances. One of the biggest pros is that it's completely free for the desktop version with no time limits or hidden cost. It offers a wide range of features like invoicing, inventory management, payroll, bank reconciliation, and financial reports, all packed into a clean, professional interface. You can manage multiple businesses and use them offline, which is great for users who don't want cloud dependency. The layout is straightforward once you get used to it, and there is a helpful online forum for support. However, it does come with some downsides. The learning curve can be steep for beginners, especially those unfamiliar with accounting. There's no built-in phone or live chat support, just a community forum. Some features, like multi-user access and cloud backup, are only available in paid cloud or server versions. Also, the design, while functional, feels a bit old school and not very modern. It lacks third-party integrations like PayPal or Stripe. Importing data from other software can be tricky too. Updates come often but without automatic install options, which can be a hassle. Overall, Manager.io is a great, no-cost accounting tool with strong features, best suited for small businesses or freelancers who are comfortable managing things independently. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys found value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.